Alright, so you've got an Instax Mini Evo or an Instax WIDE Evo. First of all, congrats. Second of all, you may be wondering how you can use these fun hybrid cameras. You've come to the right place. For today's video, I want to share 3 fun ways to use your Instax WIDE or Mini Evo. Let's talk about it. The first way I want to recommend using your Instax Evo camera is for travel or vacation photography. Whether you're flying to another country or exploring all the places near you, the Evos are great cameras for capturing those moments. You can take photos of the different places you visit, the different foods you try, the people you meet, and more. The main reason I recommend the Evos over an analog Instax camera is that the Evos don't automatically print out the photos. When you're out and about and enjoying yourself, you probably don't want to also have to keep track of a bunch of prints or a bunch of packs of film. Also, with the expandable memory of the Evos, you can take a bazillion photos without running out of memory. Another cool thing with using the Evos for travel or vacation photos is all the different features they have. You have the option to change the look of the photos you take by adding film and lens effects. If you have the Wide Evo, you can also add different film styles. With the Mini Evo, you can create 100 different looks for your photos. With the Wide Evo, you can create over 500 different looks for your photos. Mind blown, right? Another way to use your Evos is for memory keeping or scrapbooking. You can take photos of your explorations, family and friends, fun moments, and just day-to-day life events. Then when you have the time, you can print out the photos and add them to your scrapbook or memory keeper. The prints are good quality because the paper is not super thin, but you can still use things like a glue stick or the roll-on glue tape to stick your prints to the paper. The prints are also water resistant. Now, I'm not saying you can let them soak in water, but if you spill some water on them, you can wipe the water off and not have to worry about your photos being damaged. You can even have the date the photo was taken printed directly on the photo so you know the date of the image. You can also use the white border of the film to write a little blurb about the photo. Bonus mini tip, you can also use the photos as gift tags. So you take a photo or use a photo from your phone, print it out, and then stick it on the recipient's gift. You can write their name on the border of the film, and voila, a fun and personalized gift tag. A third way to use your Evo is for party or event photography. These are the types of cameras you can pass around during a party or an event, assuming that you trust everyone, and let people take all kinds of photos throughout the event. This will allow you to get real-time photos of all different things happening during that event or party, and photos of all the people enjoying themselves. As I mentioned with travel photography, you have the ability to change the film and lens effects of your images. You can also print the same image multiple times, which is great for making sure everyone in a group photo gets a copy of that photo. There are also 3 Instax apps that can be used in conjunction with the Evos that may make you a hit at the next party or event you're at. There are the Mini and Wide Evo apps that people can download and connect directly to the respective Evo. This will allow people to print photos directly from their phone to that Evo. There's also the Instax Up app, which allows you to scan the printed out photo and share those photos with others. That way, even if you run out of physical prints, you can still share the photos digitally. The Wide Evo app also lets you post to Instagram from the app. Plus, with the ability to adjust some of the settings, I'm looking at you, exposure compensation, the Mini and Wide Evo stand a better chance of taking decent photos indoors, which is usually darker than outside, than say your analog Instaxes. So there you have it. That was 3.5 fun ways to use your Instax Mini and Wide Evos. They are great cameras for travel, scrapbooking, and parties. There's so many fun things you can do with it. Let me know if you use your camera in some of the ways I've talked about, or if you use it in different ways. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this video on 3 fun ways to use your Instax Mini or Wide Evo useful. If you want more photography content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to receive notifications of when I post new videos. I try to upload at least 1 video a week. Stay tuned for more fun photography content, and if there are any topics you want to see, let me know in the comments below. Until next time, keep practicing, keep having fun, and I'll see you in the next video.